Hello everyone, it's Susan here, the Portland makeup girl. I am back with another video. This one is not really makeup related, so if that's why you're here, I'm sorry. I am doing another Dollar Tree challenge. This time it's all art stuff. So here's an art project that you can do under $10. Is a lot of fun. You could totally get your kids involved if you have kids, or you could just bring out your inner child, which is what I did. Yeah, we're just gonna need like some paints, a thinning medium, and a canvas, and then something to put it on, and then a hairdryer. So hopefully you have all those things, and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and you'll see me again later this week. Thank you guys so much for being part of my channel and helping it grow, and comment below if you want to see another one of these. I was definitely super inspired when I was walking around there seeing all the Halloween stuff. I love Halloween. It's my favorite holiday ever. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Here's everything I ended up getting at the Dollar Tree. I think I only spent like $8 on this art project, which was super cool. Here's my cute dog, LB. She was super intrigued. Stool underneath my board here. You could totally just use like a little canvas if that's all you have, but you definitely want to make sure that it's propped up so that the paint can fall off the sides. I have my little dollar store, it's like a party table liner. I have that just on my ground so that I can just pick it up. I'm using some extra paints that I didn't see at the dollar store. So I don't know, you guys can use whatever you want. Obviously Dollar Tree had a great selection. I just am being picky and want a specific color of pink, so I'm just using this guy. So let's add our paint to our cups, and we're gonna add just a little teeny little pour of the Mod Podge in every single one. So I'm going to add my paint first, and then I'll show you guys kind of what I have. My main colors here, and I'm just gonna open this Mod Podge and add a little And you do want to make sure to get the one that says glossy on it. And I 100% don't know how this is going to work with the glitter glue. I've never done this with glitter glue before, but I thought it's only $1, why not try it? I think I am just gonna dump them on my board here and then use my hair dryer and kind of blow it around. So let's go. I'm gonna start with the white. Alright guys, I just went through and I added some more color. So now I'm going to go back through with the hairdryer and I'll show you guys what I have. This is what I came up with. I went through and I added some more kind of splotches of gold and splotches of white. And I just blew them with the hairdryer. I'm pretty okay with the outcome. I think it looks really cool. I really like this area here and this area here. I'm gonna go set this outside to dry. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely post how it looks like when it's all dry on my Instagram. So make sure to go check that out. I think this is a super, super, super fun, easy, inexpensive way to just have some fun and do some art. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.